Hello everyone, Helen here, and today is new release day for Whimsy stamps. I am featuring the Cat Do Mornings stamp set. I love the expressions on these cats. Their faces are just so cute and adorable and funny at the same time. So let's take a closer look at each of the stamps. So this cat laying down on the pillow measures approximately 2 3/4 by 1 3/4, and these two standing up measures approximately 2 1/4 by 2. So here are the sentiments: good morning sunshine, gimme coffee, who invented mornings, oh happy day, cat do mornings, catatonic, I am smiling, and ugh. I love these sentiments, so funny. And so here is the card I made. I used the film strip slimline die, the mix and match 2 paper pad. I colored my images with Copic markers, and I really love how this looks because it's like a timeline of how their day went. So for more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, please follow us on the links down below. We would love for you to join us. And if you already haven't done so, please subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.